Hello everyone, and welcome to my video project on Understanding English Proficiency Test. My name is Hairunisa. My student ID is 223020201065. In this video, we will be exploring 6 major English proficiency tests. It is include IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, Cambridge, MET, and PTE. The goal is to provide a comprehensive overview to help navigate this test and make informed decisions. The first one is IELTS. IELTS, or International English Language Testing System, is an English language test used globally to measure a person's English language skills. IELTS is recognized by over 10,000 institutions around the world, including universities, companies, and immigration agencies. Widely accepted for study, work, and immigration in English-speaking countries. 2 modules, academic and general training. Where to take IELTS test? You can take the test in IDP and British Council test centers worldwide. In Indonesia, you can find centers in major cities like Jakarta, Surabaya, Bandung, Medan, and Yogyakarta. For the prices, varies by country, typically around 200 until $250. For the certificate validity, this test certificate is valid until 2 years, and for the examples is for reading, passage with multiple choice or matching, for writing, task 1 describing a graph or letter, task 2 essay. For speaking is face-to-face interview with an examiner. The second one is TOEFL. TOEFL, or Test of English as a Foreign Language, is primarily for academic purposes, especially for university admission in the US and Canada. Most common is TOEFL IBT. Where to take? ETA's authorized test centers globally also home audition available. In Indonesia, test centers are available in many cities including Jakarta, Surabaya, Bandung, Medan, Makassar, and Denpasar. For the prices of TOEFL, it is varies by country, typically around 180 until $300. For the certificate validity is valid for 2 years, and for the examples, it is integrated tasks like reading or listening, and then speaking or writing, and speaking for recorded responses. The third one is TOEIC. TOEIC, or Test of English for International Communication, is an English proficiency test designed to measure communication skills within an international workplace context. Focuses on workplace English proficiency, primarily for professional and corporate environments. 2 main tests, listening and reading, and speaking writing. Where to take? ETS authorized test centers. In Indonesia, reputable institutions like International Test Center or ITC are officially providers with centers in cities like Jakarta, Surabaya, and Bandung. For the prices is various, listening and reading usually around 80 until $100, and for the speaking and writing is similar. Certificate validity is no official expiration, but institutions may have their own acceptance period. For the example, listening like photographs or question responses, and reading incomplete sentences and reading comprehension. The fourth one is Cambridge English exams. I will take a look for the example is B2 first, C1 advanced, and C2 proficiency. For the definition, a suite of exams for different proficiency levels such as B2 first, C1 advanced, and C2 proficiency. Widely recognized for academic and professional purposes with a focus on real-life English skills. Where to take authorized Cambridge English exam centers globally. In Indonesia, you can find centers through official partners like British Council and local universities or language schools in cities such as Jakarta, Surabaya, and Medan. For the prices is varies by exam and country, typically around 150 until 250 US dollar. For the certificate validity is indefinite validity, and for the example such as reading and use of English like grammar and vocabulary, and speaking like collaborative tasks with another candidate. The fifth one is MET or Michigan English Test. MET is designed for general English language assessment, often used for academic programs and professional licensing. Focuses on communicative ability. Where to take MET authorized testing centers. In Indonesia, information on specific MET centers can be found through official Michigan language assessment partners. For the prices is various, generally lower than IELTS or TOEFL. For the certificate validity is valid until 2 years, and for the examples such as listening like multiple choice and reading like closed passages and comprehension. For the last one is PTE Academic. Pearson Test of English Academic is a computer-based test primarily used for international study and immigration, known for its integrated skill approach and AI scoring. Where to take Pearson Professional Centers worldwide. In Indonesia, PTE Academic Test Centers are available in major cities like Jakarta, Surabaya, and Bandung. For the prices, is varies by country, typically around 150 until 220 US dollar. For the certificate validity is valid until 2 years, and for the examples for speaking like read aloud, repeat sentence, for writing like summarize written text, essay, and for reading like multiple choice and reorder paragraphs. Now we move on the difference of all the tests. These tests measure English proficiency. They differ significantly in their purpose and target audience. Their formats vary from face-to-face interviews to fully computer-based exams with AI scoring. Scoring system also different, using band scores, SCOLD scores, or CEFR levels. The skills test might be integrated or discrete, and crucially, their certificate validity periods range from 2 years to indefinite, with Cambridge English exam offering a lifetime validity. Understanding this distinction is key to selecting the exam that best align with your personal goals and requirements. Now, for my personal opinion, I personally find the IELTS speaking test to be very authentic because it's a direct conversation with an examiner, which can feel more natural than speaking to a computer. And I recommendation, if your goal is to study in the UK or Australia, I would highly recommend IELTS Academic due to its whispered acceptance and the interview style speaking test which mimics real-life conversation. To recap, we have explored 6 major English proficiency tests: IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, Cambridge English Exams, MET, and PTE Academic. We have seen that each test serves a different primary purpose, has a unique format, distinct scoring method, bearing emphasis on skills, and differing certificate validity periods. The key takeaway is that there isn't a single best English proficiency test, rather, there is the best test for you. Your choice should always align with your specific goals, whether it's for academic admission, immigration, or professional advancement. I strongly encourage you to do further research on the specific requirements of the institution or organizations you're applying to, as they often have preferred tests or minimum score requirements. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide. I hope this video helped you navigate the world of English proficiency tests with greater clarity and confidence. Good luck on your language journey!